Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm making these two immunity booster drinks which is perfect for this season, and not just for this season, but we can always incorporate it into our lives. So if you're new here, welcome, and please subscribe if you haven't already. So for the first drink, I've taken a small piece of ginger and 2 small 1-inch pieces of cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves, 3 cardamom pods, and a few whole black peppercorns. Crush it well. Next, I'm boiling 2 cups of water, and to that add the mixture that we've crushed earlier. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Bring it to a boil and then simmer it for 3 to 5 minutes. Then you can strain it and enjoy. You can add some honey for sweetness if you like. And there we have our healthy turmeric drink. For the next syrup that I'm preparing, I've taken around 4 tablespoons of kalonji or black seeds or nigella seeds, however you call it, and I've powdered it into a fine powder in a mixer grinder. To this, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, a small pinch of pink Himalayan salt, this is optional, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. The black pepper helps in activating the curcumin that's found in the turmeric. Mix it well and add 1 cup of honey to it. I'm using raw organic forest honey. Mix it well and you can store it in an airtight container for a long time. You can have 1 teaspoon of this first thing in the morning just as it is, or you can have it with some lemon water. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until next time, bye bye.